This is a demonstration on how we save our lead data from AWeber, from LeadQuizzes to AWeber. So for example, I have created here a content in LeadQuizzes. I have added the fields for this form, first name, last name, email address, and phone number. I also added a question, which is mapped to the results here. So you have to go to Configure tab. You will be I'll be deleting this one. So for example here, add AWeber. Select your AWeber list. So here we have Melania Sama list. And then you have to map the required fields. So for this one, we have only one required, which is the email address. And then I want to add also the subscriber's name, first name and last name. And then we have some custom fields. For here, I want to add the phone number. I also want to add the result here. There are many options here. We can also add the answer for the question, but for this example, I will not be adding that. After that, you have to click save and make sure that the content is published. Now we will test this out. Here, I will take this content. We will be adding this email. Submit, and then I will select result one. Now we will check if the lead was saved here on AWeber. Here is the contact that was saved from LeadQuizzes. So it has a correct name, email address, and correct custom field, the phone number and the result. This integration can also be used when updating contacts. So for example, the user took another content with AWeber integrated on that content as well. So for example, here, the user updated maybe his name, JJ, and then the user also updated his contact phone number. And then we'll be using different result here, result 2. Now we'll check if the contact information was also updated. Here, the name was updated. The custom field was updated as well.